Hi future traders, welcome back to TechMoneyAI. Today I will show you how to create your very first AI trading bot. No coding experience is required. But here's the deal. You need to stick around until the end, because I'm saving the ultimate pro tip. The one that will make your bot stand out and maximize its potential. Trust me, you won't want to miss it. Before we dive into the how-to, let's talk about what an AI trading bot actually is. Simply put, an AI trading bot is a program that uses algorithms and machine learning to analyze market data and execute trades for you. Think of it as your personal trading assistant, except it works 24/7. These bots are powerful because they analyze massive amounts of data in real time, identify profitable trading opportunities, execute trades faster than any human can. And the best part? Thanks to platforms like TradingView, Pionex, and 3 Commas, creating one is easier than you think. Now let's get started. The first step to creating your AI trading bot is selecting the right platform. Here are 3 beginner-friendly options to consider. TradingView, perfect for charting and backtesting your strategies. It offers a library of pre-built scripts. Pionex, built-in AI trading bots like grid and arbitrage, easy to use, 0 coding skills needed. 3 Commas, advanced customizable bots for trading, offers pre-configured strategies and tools. Pick a platform that matches your needs. Now that you've chosen your platform, it's time to define your trading strategy. Remember, your bot is only as good as the strategy you give it. Here are some beginner-friendly strategies to consider. Trend following. Buy when prices are going up, sell when they are going down. Use indicators like moving averages and MACD to guide your bot. Mean reversion. Look for stocks or cryptos that are overbought or oversold. Tools like RSI, Relative Strength Index, can help your bot make smart decisions. Arbitrage. Buy low on one exchange and sell high on another. Platforms like Pionex have built-in arbitrage bots for this. Don't worry if this feels overwhelming. Most platforms have templates you can customize to fit your needs. Start small, test your strategies, and build confidence as you go. Step 3. Set up and test your bot. Here comes the fun part. Setting up your bot. Select your assets. Choose the stocks, cryptos, or commodities your bot will trade. Define entry and exit rules. For example, buy when RSI is below 30, sell when it's above 70. Backtest your strategy. Run your bot on historical data to see how it performs. Go live, with caution. Start with a small amount of money to minimize risk. Monitor your bot closely and make adjustments as needed. Pro tip: automate risk management. Here's a pro tip to make your bot even better. Automate your risk management. Use tools like stop loss orders. Automatically sell if the price drops below a certain level. Take profit orders. Lock in your gains when the price hits your target. Platforms like 3 Commas make it super easy to set these parameters, protecting you from major losses while maximizing your gains. Climax, key moment, the ultimate tip. Alright, as promised, here's the ultimate tip. Combine your bot with AI sentiment analysis tools, like Sentify. Why? Because these tools track social media and news sentiment in real time, giving your bot an edge in predicting market trends. Imagine your bot knowing when the market mood shifts, before prices even move. That's next level trading. If you're ready to create your first AI trading bot, now's the time to get started. The tools are easy to use, the strategies are proven, and the potential is limitless. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button and turn on notifications so you never miss a video. And remember, invest better with the power of AI. See you in the next video.